We can use Visual Paradigm AI Chatbot to create UML state machine diagram. Go to Tools, Chatbot. Let's try to create the state machine for Formula 1 cars MGUK, the motor generator unit kinetic module. Here is the generated diagram. So far so good. We can ask the chatbot to modify the diagram for us. Let's rename the error state to just error. In current diagram, the execution will exit once it reach error state, which does not make sense. Let's add a reset state between error and idle. Looks good. But still the system can exit only when it got error. Let's add transition from ready state to idle state. The transition is being added. Using the Compare with Previous button can let us compare the current diagram with previous version. Now the diagram is completed. We can press the Import to Visual Paradigm button to import it to our current Visual Paradigm project for further editing. Hope you will found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.